All right, we got a very special guest in the house, very special edition of Cooking with the Blues here. Rob, come here over a second. This is my main man, Rob, right here. And Rob, when we were building this place, Rob was here for months, a master electrician. He came in here, he did us such a solid on. So, you ever in need of a master electrician, we'll put him right on a plan, we'll send him right to you. So when we're doing this, we still had Chaplin's next door, and he loved it. I said, "What do you want to eat, Rob?" And it was a chicken Alfredo. So, and it's, I don't think you've eaten anything ever since, have you? Besides that? Huh?
Yes.
Chicken Alfredo. Yeah. So we're going to do it like real time. And, this is B's handy dandy. How do you do these, B?
I just roll up the butter wrappers.
Butter wrapper. Look at that. Fire starter. See? Woo! Genius. So, here's what we're going to do. You know how we roll. A little bit of a little bit of blackened seasoning on the chicken. Rob, you bring your appetite?
Yes.
All right, because I threw an extra piece of chicken on there. And then we got our hot water. I always like to see if Rob can finish it. It kind of like, let's always throw a little bit extra in there. Garlic. Plenty of garlic, right, Rob? Huh? I gotta watch my garlic because out there on YouTube land, I've had a few people say, "Oh man, that chicken's or that garlic is burnt." I said, "No. Trust me, the golden brown. Adjust your TV sets." Okay. See that nice golden brown? White wine. Crank the fire up. Reduce that down just a little bit. Heavy cream. Can use half and half. Plenty of the good stuff there. Parmigiani. I can't say it's the Reggiano Parmesan, but it's pretty good stuff. We're getting fancy here, man, with chopped chives. No green onions today. I'm going to put a lid on this for a second. Somebody was asking me what my monthly gas bill is last month. I checked today. It's $468. not too bad. So, no need to worry. Get that chicken just about there. What I like to do here, right now, see, just a little bit extra flavor while we're at it, you know what I mean? Just a little bit extra. You know, according to season, everything. You say, Rob, more Parmesan? I forgot about it. You like it in a bowl, not on the plate, right, Rob? A nice bowl, right? Sure. That chicken is right on. A little bit of green, a little bit of that green goodness. Plug it right into it. I gotta try one, Rob. Poquito más. Alright. And I know I made a little bit extra because I know B always likes a little taste. Sharing is caring. Rob?
Although I am protected by Alfredo.
You gotta come over and take a bite. You gotta grab a fork, Rob. Or grab a fork right over there. See all that goodness? We don't want to waste it. Trust me. So I did that. Alright, Rob. This might be like, how many times have we made this for you?
I would probably say about, I don't know, it's got to be at least 150.
150?
Yeah.
Never got sick of it yet. Now usually we got to split a tortupo at the end of it, right? That makes sure you always save room for dessert.
It's amazing.
Good, Rob? Hey, good friends, man. Like in life, in this business here, you better have a good relationship with your plumber, your electrician. Everybody involved is so integral to keep a restaurant alive. I call Rob, like, and this place has got some funky tube fuses.
Yeah.
And it's not your average run-of-the-mill breakers. Yeah, boom, power goes out, or a half of the dining room power goes out. All these ice boxes go out. Saturday night, like 6:30, in the middle of the battle. Rob, I got a serious problem. Oh, that's got to be that unit, that box downstairs, like photographic memory. He knows exactly. He knows this building inside out. And boom, he's over there in 20 minutes. Boom, back in business. Like I said, that business.
As long as I get this.
And Rob's a native from Mystic. He grew up on the water. What a beautiful place to be. And just good friend. We've become very good friends over the years. Can't beat it.
Yeah.
So bon appetit, my friend.
So much.
All right, cooking with the blues. New London, Deepwater Port. You know the drill. Come and visit sometime. We got Amtrak coming through, jet, plane, train. Walk here if you have to. Give us a call, we'll come pick you up. Peace.